We wish the Artist Center in Nagna to flourish.
There's some fans still on it. Satish, come there. Rashid.
I wrote the same one you did.
Come here in Feb and I was looking for a place to exhibit my works and I met Anna and she told me that artist center is reopening it down and I was thinking I had years at that time and I just asked her what time and unfortunately I had my scenes ready at that time and she said from May this would be artist center back in Kalagoda and I didn't realize that I would be the first person to be the opening artist for the new artist center. So I'm lucky that way. I was lucky the first time with artist center when my very first painting, when I became a member of artist center, I got to exhibit in the annual exhibition and it won.
Kept it alive. Today is a very, very special day, especially for us, right? Because and for Susie who have kind of held it together for so many years, and now it's another generation who's going to be looking after it as such. And particularly thankful to Varsha who manages this gallery so well and she's done it all this time. Big thank you to her. It wouldn't have happened actually so well without her. And I also have the confidence to say let's move it here, let's move artist center here only because Varsha is there to back us. And Kalagoda, of course, Association has always wanted to support this particular cause, and it comes under our mandate also. So I thought this is a great thing to bring back the Kalagoda area, which there is no area like this. It's right across Jahangir Art Gallery, and it all coincides, not just the openings at Jahangir Art Gallery also coincides with this space, and people who come there will come here also, and just popularize it as much as you can. You spread the word, and let's make this happen. Thank you very much. show. Please enjoy the show. Please enjoy. And please enjoy the stand.
Gave me the prize certificate. So this is the second time when it's a lucky coincidence for me. And I have my blessings. And the other person who has helped me immensely at this time is not here, Mr. Madhusudan Kumar, who was secretary at that time. And it was his pushing also that made me a member. So I really am happy for this event. And thank you so much for
I just want to tell you how fortunate we are in that space. The earlier space was a meeting place for the progressive artists, like we say, and Bazaar, and these artists were there, their blessings were there for that space. We hope their blessings will come here, and will encourage all young artists.
Wish to
Yes, see, and this space is somewhat similar in its proportion, but more modern. And I think they will expect the artists who are here will give impetus to modern art that they will.
Yes. And we're very happy Artist Center is still here in this area. And now Artist Center has a very opening face. It goes little inside. Now you have, everyone can see by walking through these streets. So Artist Center is a very prestigious.
Artists, heritage district.
So Artist Center is designed to be here in this area, born here and grew here.
Please say.
What I can say is that I'm glad Artists Center is alive and kicking because we have a high artist and they do things in progress. But that we hope is alive right now. We are proud that we kept it going even during the COVID years. We kept it running. Thousands who come to be there and thank God we have tied up with together we expect progress and all of you have shown contribute to it.
The fact that Talapur, Thoda and Artist Center have come together is again a wonderful thing. This precinct is part of that, their heritage and their starting ground.
We also want to announce a member show. So, yes, for the Artist Center's members, the new show we are announcing, and the show would happen on from 8th to 21st July, which is 2 weeks duration. And submission entries should be by 15th of June. And the theme for this show is monsoon. And it's only for the members of Artists. Entries
So
will
please
be
become members.
Entry will be free, yes. So you can, I'll send all the details. The poster will be sent to the email address by Ashwini, and you'll get all the details. Right? So.
I'm a committee member.
Okay, okay. So can I get a number also?
plant that I'd like to. Samosa लाऊंगा.
So fortunately, Kala Ghoda is my baby, and Artist Center is also my baby. So I thought, क्यों नहीं दोनों को एक मिला लूँ and make it into something that is a good cause for both people. Artist Center is also an art cause. Kala Ghoda Association also does a lot for art. So it's a good way to bring the two together. We have this space very luckily, and the Tatas are very kind, because Army Navy building is a very prestigious building. It's also a heritage building in Kala Ghoda district. And first it used to be in Adore House. It started in 1950, Artist Center. Or Artist Center is something that we all have a very emotional connect with, because it was started in 1950 with progressives trying to help art, to promote the galleries, and to promote young artists, upcoming artists. और फिर उसके बाद जब हमारी जगह चली गई अडोर हाउस में, उसके बाद वी वर अ लिटिल लॉस्ट कि क्या करें, और टेम्परली वी मूव समवेयर एल्स ऑल्सो. एंड व्हेन वी फेल्ट कि अगर काला घोड़ा में कोई जगह हो तो दिस इज़ वेयर आवर होम इज़, दिस इज़ वेयर विच इज़ द होम फॉर बोथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. उस वजह से हम अभी से यहाँ, और वी ऑल्सो हैव अ ग्रेट मैनेजर इन वर्षा. She's managed this gallery before. It used to be called Art Entrance for Kala Ghoda, and then I said, why not change the name? We got the permission to do that, and here we are. And it just requires a few passionate people to put the things together, and we have that team. So very, very grateful and very happy that we are here.
It is indeed a pleasure that we have in our second avatar as Artist Center. We have collaborated with Kala Ghoda, and the fact that we are in the Kala Ghoda precincts, the office of Kala Ghoda and this artist gallery is really a great pleasure, and we are happy to be in the art district of Bombay. Thank you.
खूप छान. आता नागनाथ माणकेश्वरचा एक शो चालू आहे. खूप सुंदर शो चालू आहे. खूप छान वेगळ्या प्रकारचे पेंटिंग्स आपल्याला इथे बघायला मिळतील. जरूर या. थँक्यू सो मच.
I've had so many beautiful memories of the Artist Center. It was right here down the lane. I've been coming there for years and years and years, come to so many performances, exhibitions, art gatherings. It's like a walk down memory lane, and it just feels nice that the Artist Center is back in the same neighborhood. And I can only hope that there are many more interesting events that come here, and I look forward to coming back and reliving those memories. So thank you for bringing Artist Center back.
Yeah. So like I was just saying, first of all, it's been it's a wonderful feeling to be back in Artist Center, and like I said, I started my very first painting as a member of Artist Center, and it won a prize back in 2017, and that was a big day for me. So after that, we did several exhibitions in Artist Center, annual exhibitions. And unfortunately it closed down in 2019, and we are back in town in Kala Ghoda in 2025, and this came as a surprise for me that it's my exhibition that opened the new Artist Center back in Kala Ghoda. So I'm very happy about that, and I'd like to thank all the trustee members of Artist Center, Brinda Miller ma'am, Saryuj Satija ma'am, Saryu Doshi ma'am, and the other dignitaries, and Varsha ji. And I'm happy that it's been a great show for me. Thank you so much.
Today you come to the exhibition. First exhibition after the collab of Palagoda and
Because the first exhibition of the Progressive Artist Group in 1949 in Ador House. That was the founder of the Progressive Artist Group. Ara, Suja, Bakre, Gade, Raza and Hussain. The second show is in 1953 in Ador House. Now, again we started here with collaboration of the Kalagoda, the new artist center. As a committee member, I got opportunity thanks to Brunda madam and Sharmi madam. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Varsha Karade. I'm an art curator for this place when it got renovated in 2023. Before that, it was of course closed for during the COVID for many years. And I'm very happy that Brinda Miller chose me to take care of this gallery, manage this gallery. We are all Kalagoda Association team, and I've been handling this gallery for last 1 year and plus. Today I'm very happy that we are collaborating with Artist Center, which is again a very heritage and a very old association. It's a 75 years old group, and this building is more than 100 years old. So Army and Navy building, Kala Ghoda plus Artist Center. It's really a great match. I want every artist to take opportunity to showcase their work at this prime district of art. All the best.
It's fantastic. I mean, it's awesome to see that, we are launching in a big way. It's been there, but now coming together is going to be so beautiful. I'm excited to see bigger exhibitions, more stuff happening over here.
Yeah. When I saw today, today's have again open our artist center. So here I have to say, I am very long back the member of artist center. I think 17 years. So this today have a very proud moment for us and every artist also. The artist center going to open again, and it's a great platform to keep every artist their self, their work proudly, because this artist center is not like a mediocre group. It's like a very nostalgic group and very famous. We scenes like from Bengal, Bachpan mein. It's like when I was childhood, that time I saw this all our activity since artist center. But I don't know how to explain, and my goodness, I came to Mumbai suddenly 20 years back. I explored artist center, and I'm the oldest member also, and this is the platform. The work you can see here is like very nostalgic, I can see, and every work have some breath, which is very silent message have, like a fisherman they give us. It's the journey of symbol. It's not only like a boat, it's a symbol of journey. Thank you.